On example 9, we have 3 translations going on, don't we? Because we have this function 3 times the absolute value of x minus 8 minus 24. So x minus h means a horizontal translation to the right 25. Or 20, right 8, I'm sorry. We have a vertical translation down 24. And then finally, we have a vertical stretch by a factor of 3. So your vertex is over 8 and down 24. That answers the question. How far below the sea level is the dolphin at its deepest point? Well, it's 24 meters below the sea level. So if I'm going to graph this, I'm going to go over 8 and down 24. Put my vertex right there. That's at 8 and negative 24. And then it's going to be a vertical stretch by a factor of 3. So what does that mean? It means when I'm over 1, I'm going to go up 3. So this point will be 9 and negative 21, or 7 and negative 21. So you get that factor in there. I didn't put numbers on the graph because they're so big, but we can see that right there. And there is our last problem. Now if we put them all together, on the last page of your study guide, I've got them all together for you. So if you add or subtract, that's a vertical translation up or down. Your inside, it's a horizontal translation up or down. If you make your function negative, you're going to reflect over the x-axis. If you make your function negative inside, you're going to reflect over the y-axis, but since it's absolute value and it's symmetric with the y-axis, you're not going to see a change there. If you multiply the function by a number, it's going to be a vertical stretch if it's bigger than 1, a compression if it's less than 1. If you're inside the function, that's horizontally, if you multiply, it would be a horizontal compression by that factor, or a horizontal stretch by that factor if it's between 0 and 1.